Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to customize screen during our bedtime routine, our bedtime mode in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Next in settings we are looking for the Digital Wellbeing option. Then we're looking for the bedtime mode. Right now it's off. And here we have our bedtime routine, so we can enable it or disable it. We can set up a routine and we have the option to customize it, for example. And here at the very bottom we have screen options at bedtime. So we have a few options. We can enable or disable grayscale. We can keep the screen dark. We can dim the wallpaper on or off, and we can also choose to enable dark mode during our bedtime mode. Pretty much we can choose whatever we want from here, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.